The sun has a series of features, many of which that you probably don't need to know about, but some that you should have some knowledge of. The first is what's called solar wind. And these are charged particles, sometimes referred to as radiation, that is streaming out from the sun in all directions at all times. So it's coming out 360 degrees, moving out from the sun all the time. The next thing is what's called a solar flare. Now, you can't really see one in this image, but a solar flare is a large eruption of charged particles coming out from the sun. It can shoot out, and if it's directed towards the Earth, it has a definite effect on the Earth itself. The next feature is what's called a prominence. You can see a prominence located in this diagram right here. This is a huge arch of gas that comes streaming off the sun. And then the gravity of the sun pulls it back in. This particular one, you could actually fit one Earth underneath. And the last thing is what is called sunspots. Now, sunspots occur in an 11-year cycle. Scientists aren't exactly sure what causes that 11-year cycle. It probably is linked to the sun's magnetic field, which is a unique event in itself. But sunspots are also linked to solar flares. So during this 11-year cycle, as sunspots increase, so do solar flares, and then they decrease at the same rate. You can see several in this image. There are these bright areas on the sun. These are sunspots. They're generally cooler areas on the sun, again, having something to do with the sun's magnetic field.